so cool. My new camera, so cool.
Oh my god.
Do you like my new camera?
Yes.
You are my flower.
Very cool.
Do you want my flower?
I want your camera.
Copenhagen destroyed all our plans. We wanted to go to the park, but now we will.
We are going.
We are going to the park, even if it's rain. We're going to the park. We're going to the park. We're going to the park.
Oh, the sun!
Sun! Finally!
Bro, I will show you. Hold me. I need to be an influencer. I will show you how to do a mate from Argentina. First, yerba mate. Bro. Bam. Yerba mate. Bam. A little bit more than a half. Now we close, because if this falls, we don't have more for all the contracts.
Okay, bro.
In case someday you come to Argentina, you grab your GoPro and you check how to do a mate. Like a professional. Once you finish this, tiki-tiki. Tiki-tiki. Hand on top. Tiki-tiki-tiki. Shake, 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 shake. The dust. You take it out. Dust. You take it out. Once you take out the dust, boom, bombilla. Mate, bro.
So cool, bro.
Argentina.
Argentina. Matecito.
Matecito, bro. Do you want a mate, Vitaly?
No.
For your camera, you don't want to try mate on live.
Online.
Okay, I'm gonna try mate online.
Okay, you don't have to move this. Just drink.
Ah, it's like a green tea.
Mate, bro.
It's-
Qué green tea.
Hey, let's go. I cannot use my GoPro. Bye. It was amazing. Prepare yourself.
So good.
I'm still busy. On this I said fuck like this. Fuck! Whoa! Mona! Hey!
Hello, Vitaly.
Pero!
Hold my hand.
No!
Hold my
Ah! Woo! I'm holding your hand! Whoa!
Guys, okay, it has been a lot of time. Can we stop?
Pero,
Guys, it doesn't finish. What happened?
I'm tired! I don't want anymore! I want a woman! Guys, it's too much. I'm not feeling well.
Can we go down?
Oh, finally, thank you God.
In the
We
main-
again going on this, how it's called?
This is
Game.
Yeah.
Right.
Ride.
There.
We're going again on this ride.
On the Fata Morgana.
This one. Fata Morgana. So scared. I don't like it.
Anyway, we should. Where are we going?
I feel not good, guys. I want a woman. I need some hot dog. Hey, Denmark! Umbrella, baby! Today is a perfect day, and now we have 3 shows.
And too much.
And one very important thing, we need to support Spain today
And Argentina.
and Argentina. We're gonna be so tired tonight. Finito!